Alright guys, this is the first try, and I'm backlit, and if anybody on backlit, the sun is on my back, so it's giving me great exposure. This is just a video for you guys. I'm not going to release it on YouTube, but for you, Ryan and Dave, this is the new DJI Atmos, whatever, Osmos, whatever you want to call it. So let me do a pan around my vehicle and let you know how it looks. I'm going to switch the camera around. I don't know, the detail on this, guys, seems to look very good on my cell phone right here. I mean, I'm shooting in 4K 30 frames a second. It will not actively track if I shoot at 60 frames a second, so it does shoot 4K, guys, if you were wondering. I just installed it, so if you're familiar with the DJI app, it's very easy. You just gotta log in to activate the device. So I don't know, I'm just trying to give you guys some information. I don't know, it seems like it's something I'm going to be using quite often. This is the light right now. The sun is in front of me now, so this is actually giving me a nice little angle, a nice little composition. You can see a little bit of the blur background, so the lens seems to be doing very well. I think it's be okay in low light. It's not going to be perfect in low light, but I think it'll be better than a GoPro. Probably similar to Ryan, your camera, the 5100. But for a small little lens, I don't see any problem. Obviously, the audio is coming through the device also. So hey, hopefully this is my review to you guys. If it's something that you're interested in and don't want to spend the money, I know you guys wait for me to buy it, but I mean, I don't know. I'm pretty crisp, maybe even crisper than my M50. So, alright guys, let me know what you think. This is me walking. So how stable am I walking? Wow. I'm doing more movement than the device. Alright guys, see y'all later.